Gharbia Pipe Company is proud to be a symbol of the UAE's industrial strength. It is one of the most technologically advanced LSAW pipe mills in the world, equipped with cutting-edge technology and smart manufacturing facilities. As a trusted supplier to strategic projects worldwide, we deliver LSAW steel pipes to the most demanding standards. Backed by JFE Steel's expertise, Missy's global reach, and ADQ's vision focused on critical infrastructure and global supply chains, we stand as a model of industrial integration and collaboration. Every stage of our production is fully digitalized, from plate inspection to forming, welding, and dispatch. Our machines communicate seamlessly through MES, our smart manufacturing execution system. MES acts as the digital brain of the facility, linking real-time dashboards, AI insights, predictive maintenance, and full traceability. This is Industry 4.0 in action, where automation and intelligence converge. With an annual capacity of 360,000 tons, nearly 760 kilometers of pipe, Gharbia powers economies and connects nations. Our pipes range from 18 to 60 inches in outside diameter, built from carbon steel plates up to API X80 grade, and are ready for the toughest corrosive environments. They feature wall thicknesses ranging from 6.4 millimeters to 44.5 millimeters, and standard lengths between 9 and 13 meters, ensuring strength and quality, certified to ISO 9001, API, and international standards. Plates are inspected for quality and uniformity before the plate-to-pipe process begins. The plate undergoes hard spot testing to detect areas of increased hardness and are then shot blasted with high-velocity steel shots to remove rust and scale. After cleaning, they are edge milled to produce smooth and accurate edges, followed by crimping prior to the JCO press. A 6,500-ton JCO press with automatic shape control system bends each plate into the required shape with precision. Tack welds hold the seam securely before automated welding systems perform internal and external welds. These welds ensure complete penetration, strength, and uniformity. After forming, each pipe is first mechanically expanded to ensure precise dimensional accuracy. This marks the completion of the manufacturing stage. The finished pipes then move into the testing stage for comprehensive inspection. Each pipe is then hydro-tested under maximum operating pressure, followed by phased array ultrasonic testing to detect internal flaws and confirm joint integrity. In addition, X-ray inspection provides deeper verification of weld quality and reveals any hidden imperfections. The pipes then move to beveling, where both ends are machined at a precise angle to ensure perfect field welding alignment. Once beveling is complete, magnetic particle testing is carried out to detect any surface cracks or discontinuities along the weld and pipe body, following which a dimensional control measuring machine inspection is performed to ensure exact dimensional specifications. Finally, each pipe undergoes final inspection and marking, providing complete identification and full traceability. The process concludes as the finished pipes are rolled out to the yard, ready to carry energy safely and reliably across continents. In our ISO IEC 17025 accredited laboratory, we test for toughness, strength, and corrosion resistance. Non-destructive examinations detect flaws verify welds, and confirm dimensional accuracy without affecting the pipe's integrity. All test results feed directly into a digital quality management system, ensuring transparency, instant reporting, and full customer confidence. Innovation drives us forward. Our smart safety monitoring safeguards every step of the production process through our AI-enabled cameras, detecting violation. We are also actively working on developing hydrogen transportation-ready pipes to meet the future of energy. Across Al Gharbia's pipe yard, thousands of finished pipes stand ready for delivery. Every order is digitally tracked and dispatched with complete transparency. From Khalifa Port and Jebel Ali Port, Al Gharbia connects the UAE to the world, serving oil and gas, petrochemical, energy, and infrastructure projects across the Middle East, Asia, Europe, and beyond. We are approved by regional and global oil companies for line pipe, onshore and offshore sour service, conductor pipes, and structural pipes, supported by a robust supply chain management system that sources raw materials from around the globe. In an AI-powered future, Al Gharbia unites automation, innovation, and data intelligence to deliver uncompromising quality, building vital infrastructure that connects the world with bespoke solutions for every customer. Al Gharbia Pipe Company. Strength through automation. Made in the UAE for the world.